saying we've been watching these storms, it feels like, for so long.
For weeks.
For the people down there, I mean, it's been just so horrible. Now Category 3.
Right, so it's been constant. Of course, you go back to Harvey, and then Irma and Jose, and now Maria, so we're watching all of these. Let me show you what Maria might do as it works through the next few days and into next week, because a lot of you want to know how close it's going to come to us. Right now, 125 mile per hour winds, moving 8 miles per hour, so not in a big hurry. You can see the eye has filled in a little bit, but the center of it now is just north of Grand Turk here in the Turks and Caicos, and it's going to continue to lift toward the north and west. So through the weekend, through Sunday, it's going to go by east of the Bahamas at a pretty good distance, and then by early next week, here it is between Bermuda and the United States here off the eastern seaboard. From here, it looks as though it's going to continue that trek on to the north, but look at our computer models. They do spread out a little bit, so the confidence is higher up to this position than it is moving forward. But there is going to be a frontal boundary, a disturbance in the jet stream that's going to come along, and we think if it times out just right, it will push Maria offshore and carry it away from us. So the track is not locked, but it is looking fairly likely at this point, but we will keep a close eye on it in the coming days, because if the timing changes on either of these features, the track could change as well. So we'll keep you posted. But even in this position, there could still be some big surf and big swells emanating off of Maria, influencing our coastline. We're seeing that with Jose right now. You can see what it looks like in Boston. Clouds, some raindrops on the lens, all of this with a temperature of 59 degrees here on the first day of fall. The winds out of the north sustained at 24. We're gusting over 30, still close to 40 miles per hour on parts of the Cape. So the wind's still active. Southeastern Massachusetts wind gusts 40 to 50 miles per hour through about 6 o'clock this evening. Thereafter, the winds are going to step down. By 9 o'clock tonight, wind gusts 20 miles per hour or higher. And then by tomorrow morning at 9 a.m., winds are under 20 miles per hour in terms of the gusts. So we're stepping down the winds gradually. But with a high tide coming up around 2 o'clock, a minor coastal flooding is a possibility here on the South Shore. And that water continues to pile up. Look at the wave heights just offshore, 10 to as much as 15 feet. So rough surf going to be an issue right on into at least the first part of the weekend, and seas are going to be slow to come on down. You can see it is right there, centered 120 miles south-southeast of Nantucket. Jose, now what's called a post-tropical storm. It is weakening and just kind of slowly dissipating across the area, but still look at these rain bands here propagating in off the ocean. Generally, it's lighter rain, but every now and then you get a narrow little line of showers with some heavier rain. You can see one now just west of Marshfield, stretching back toward Bridgewater. Another little burst of some heavier rain up toward Brockton right now, and this will continue through the afternoon. So with the wind and the rain and the clouds, it hasn't cracked 60 yet along the coastline in a lot of spots. We have some lower 70s out in the western part of the state where it is a little bit brighter, and we're going to keep the bulk of the rain here inside of 495 through the rest of the afternoon, but it's kind of damp for your evening plans. And then overnight, the showers slowly taper off, but there are a lot of clouds when you're waking up here coming up tomorrow morning. So the temperatures hold fairly steady the rest of the afternoon, warmest to the west, but if you go further west, look at the heat. It's in the 90s today in the Chicago area, and some of that warmth is going to head our way as soon as we kind of get rid of Jose, and gradually tomorrow we'll see those clouds thin on out. So our low temperatures tonight, they're going to be running in the upper 50s to around 60 degrees, and tomorrow from northwest to southeast, we're going to see improvements. So here's a closer look at your weekend. Temperatures coolest tomorrow on the Cape, where it's going to take us all day long to lose the clouds, but you get north and west of town, could be touching 80, and I think more of us see those readings in the 80s coming up on Sunday, so it is going to feel like summertime. Into the 80s we are on Monday as well with higher humidity, and then we'll watch a frontal boundary Tuesday into Wednesday to see if it can push through some showers and keep Maria far offshore. We'll keep you posted on that. Erica.
Okay.